Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you this brand new 2026 Sea Ray. This is the SPX 210. Beautiful blue hull color with the white bottom here. Such a good looking boat on the water. It's got an aluminum trailer as well with a water sports tower. Come around back, let me show you a little bit more. So back here on the transom, you got the Mercury V6. This is a 200 horsepower Mercury. Got plenty of power to do water sports or just cruise on the lake all day. Nice sea deck covering all the way through here and through your walkway into the boat. And a nice sun pad here to hang out in the coves and catch some rays during the day. Let me show you the inside. Hey guys, I'm up here in the SPX 210 now. I want to show you the bow here. We've got the fill-in cushions in here right now just to show you how you can fill it out and give you a nice pad. But you can take these cushions out and store it underneath the cabinet here, so it's easy to keep on the boat. You've got integrated handrails, your speakers, a nice design on the stitching, really makes it pop. And you've got a storage up front for your anchor and nice padding all the way around. So it's really a lot of room up there in the front. Coming back here to the helm, you got a nice captain's chair that moves forward and spins around so you can have conversations with everybody in the boat. You've got your fusion head unit there, as well as your SIMRAD screen. That will show you all of your diagnostics, maps, and things like that. Right here you have your the gear shift here. This is all electric throttle. You got your toggle switches here for your lights, courtesy lights, and things like that. Looking back here, you've got the nice wraparound seating. This gives you plenty of room for all your friends and family to hang out on the day on the lake and everything. Up here, you got the forward-facing seating, but if you'd like, you can actually pick it up and then face backwards, especially if you have somebody back there skiing or wakeboarding or something like that. This does have the sports tower as well. You can wakeboard off of this thing here. You've got a bimini that will give you plenty of shade. And then you get the sun pad back here. So it's really an awesome boat. It's still a great riding boat. Sea Ray's always had the best riding bow riders out there. So if you want to see more about this boat, please visit us here at MarineMax Greenville.